How to use BBVA Pro properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most investors jump into BBVA Pro for the speed and charts, but the surprising truth is most lose opportunities because they don't understand how to set it up correctly. Let's go over how to use BBVA Pro properly and avoid mistakes that cost you real money. BBVA Pro is a professional-grade platform offering advanced tools for trading stocks, ETFs, and derivatives. The first mistake beginners make is not customizing their workspace. You can organize charts, order books, and watch lists, but if you leave the default layout, you miss key data during fast market moves. The second mistake is ignoring order types. BBVA offers market, limit, and stop orders. Many users stick to market orders and end up buying or selling at unfavorable prices. Learning to use stop loss and limit orders is essential for protecting profits and controlling risks. Another big error: neglecting the alerts function. BBVA Pro can notify you when a stock hits a specific price or volume level. Without alerts, you'll be reacting late instead of acting strategically. Finally, don't overlook the simulator. Practicing trades with virtual money before going live helps you learn platform behavior under real market conditions. Used correctly, BBVA Pro turns you from a spectator into a strategist. Learn the tools, plan your trades, and let data guide your moves, not emotions.